Alright fellas, so I'm just doing a little repair. Excuse all the mess. This harness is for the stock lighter. And the main reason I'm working on this is when I first got this truck, a lot of the wiring was in pretty rough shape, and I didn't actually have that lighter. I ended up getting it up later at the junkyard, so I initially got this add-on, and I just wired it to the existing harness. But the wiring is so short that if you're ever having to remove this bezel or covering or whatever it's called, it always pulls on the wiring, and that's what ended up happening over time, because I've removed that several times. But the crimps kind of came undone. At the time I'd used these old style crimps, but I've since been, in the last several months, been using these soldering crimps. These things are awesome. Anyway, I remembered that I had snagged the harness from another D21. It is essentially the same thing. So I'm going to use this one instead of trying to use this short one with a short wire. I'm going to use this one with the still has enough length that I can have enough wiggle room to, if I need to pull that bezel out again, it's not going to mess with the connections. So I'll set the phone up and start this real quick. this is done properly when I turn the accessories on. Let me back up. When I turn the accessories on, I already got the headset hooked up. We should see the charging light turn on. Now if this one works, this one should work too, but I'll hook them both up regardless. So hopefully you guys can see that. It's tough to see, but hopefully you guys can see the blue light, the LED light on the charger. Alright. It's off. And let's hook her up to this one, see if this one works. Lights on. Light is on. That's a good sign. And that was just a simple, again, just a simple little maintenance repair type deal. Like I said, a lot of the wiring harnesses on this truck were in pretty rough shape when I first got it, and again, we use what we have at the time, and I use the standard crimps to wire everything together, and it held up fairly decent. You know, it's been a couple of years, but again, these soldering crimps are freaking awesome. They definitely make the job a lot quicker and easier. You don't have to deal with making a soldering mess or anything like that. But anyway, again, don't want to make this longer than it already is. And I'll see you.